Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video we are going to find the value for this expression. So here 6 minus 6 0 and here also 0. So 0 into 0 is 0. But this is the wrong answer because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So here you have to remember in multiplication and division both have equal priorities. So we have to you have to go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So let's solve this 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. So here minus, then multiplication minus. So first priority we will solve this one, multiplication part. So 6 minus 6 6 are 36 minus 6. Then next here we will go from left to right. So we will solve first this part. So 6 minus 36 is minus 30 minus 6. The final answer is minus 36.